man, the man come with stick. I make up one in night. I say, boy, I sleep on his stick. Come like me sleep on his stick. Come like me sleep on his stick. Come like me sleep on it. From time to time, and I share it up with my neighbors and see me. Yeah, so tree nice and so just on up all light and thing. And I want to tell you something, you know. Alright, so this is Portmore Independent City. I'm driving through KFC over there. Yeah. So recently, you know, them upgrade the road and fix up the road look up better and thing, but them still have little thing what I not like about it, cause up at the gas station up here, so you know, when you go buy the gas, you have to go at the stoplight if you make a U-turn if you come back down. That me not like that. So the gas station over there, so you purchase your gas. Normally you could have did come out and go all the way back down so and catch back the road for go wrong. So now you have to go come out through this, so come over, see the AD wagon come across it. You have to come over just like that and then make a U-turn. So you have to go wait at the light for the turning light to come on so you can make a U-turn if you're going back to that direction. So that me not like about it still. Yeah. Cause imagine you purchase your gas and you want to go about your business quick and fast. You have to go join the line. You get me I say? Yeah. So anyways, I wait for the light to change because I'm going to buy a stick. Yeah, cause you know mango season and things, so I have to go get a stick so I can pick mangoes. Alright, so the out here is up on the road. On that stretch of road. I don't remember what the road name still. Municipal Boulevard. Yeah, I think I saw the road name. Yeah man, so I go get my stick and off pick mangoes because yesterday, you know, my borrow. Well, the day before yesterday, I borrow a stick from my neighbor and I have it till the next day. Reached to one of the stick locations. Yesterday here, so we did stop and ask question because we did order a long stick. Them stick the way see them have over there, so them the too short. But them have a number still. We are going to contact the number there and see what I go and feed. So just stay tuned.
Good morning.
Good morning. We are here for the stick that we ordered yesterday.
Okay, the person cut it already. Now I'm making care it come there.
Okay. Alright, so the stick come here now. Yeah, therefore stick it in just like this. Yeah man, so it in our car. Safe and secure here. So just stay tuned. I'll pick some mango. Lot stick. So if you don't want to stick for buy man in a Portmore, then you can get a stick, mango stick also. Stick in a car, stick. Yeah man. More work I put in right so. Yeah man. On the mark on the road right so right now Independent City of Portmore. As you can see, I think about that tar them have put on this. Oh, them place are full of what we just choose to drive through here so still cars. One take myself off by main cars we have a stick so you have to be mindful, you know. So we take myself off by main and just take it through here so stay tuned until reach home. Yeah. Alright, so I make something to pick the mango them. So when you pick the mango them, then you drop a ground. So we just come up with the idea to make this. Alright, so we get it on. How we are gonna do this here now? Oh, you look firm already, you know, firm up yet. Tie it up, make sure say well tie up. Just tie it up like a man tie up a woman, you know? Yeah, so we are tie it up. Why? Ready to go up there now. Mango tree. Mango the pantry. Alright, so we are going to stick a test. Test how to stick. Oh, grab one so far. Wow. Yeah. That go on, man. It's going on with itself. Impressive. Wow. Oh, yeah, I say, alright, we are coming along with the car. We don't want to overdo it, you know. Show them what go on in our basket, you know. Good on, go. Yeah. Alright. I'll get them out. So grab 3 of them so far. So good. Big up the stick. And this thing I will just fix up. So we are go up again. Up on a rooftop with it, you know. Yeah, up on the roof with it. On the drop. Sometimes I just touch them too. Them drop. Oops, them a drop. Alright, that go on with itself. Nice. Yeah. Alright, another 3. Come like this, no plan for the even numbers. Alright, so we're going to mango bag here now. Yeah, man. Blacky mangoes. Fresh off the tree. Look. See? Fresh. Yeah, man. More mango I get coming in the bag there. Yeah, man. 1 bag of mango we pick today. No, I have to give my neighbor them some, so package out and I give them some mangoes. Yeah, line up that one there already, so I line up the next one, you know. Yeah, so we have to share. Can't keep all the mango them for myself alone. Yeah, man, so I already send across some already still. Yeah, man, I issue out some already. Yeah. So, you know, I have to share the mango them now. I have to share. So, me alone can't eat everything. Yeah, man, so let me know my neighbors them and friends along the way. And if a subscriber want, and then the nearby, them can get to. I go check in on my mango, wash it already. Yeah, man, the blacky are big. A nice size blacky this. I'm there under the tree. Yeah, see your tree big? Yeah, man. Tree big. Yeah, man. And this produce a whole lot of mango every year. So check in for my mango. Sweet. Mango sweet and nice. Yeah, man. Sweet and nice. And guys, remember when I say I go buy my stick this morning, because guess what going on? I did borrow my neighbor stick the day before yesterday, and him come feed yesterday. Now the morning, early in the morning, as I go pick some mango, you know, and come feed the stick. Just as me I go use the stick to, you know. I'm just get up this man and say, oh, I buy a stick and thing, and so we come up with the idea to put on the jug on it and pick mango. Yeah man, the man come with stick. I make up one in night. I say, boy, I sleep on his stick. Come like me sleep on his stick. I hope me borrow his stick from you. I said, I'm gonna go and over one stick. One thing, you know, and I just told the mango, man, go pick on my yard, no? And feed mango then all that ripe. But just for go on. I did plan to buy a stick differently still, you know. But I say, so I never get the time, I don't buy a stick. But when my film stick, as a film stick kind of penguin kind of joiny up and way, so I kind of penguin. So it's not really easy for use, but I'm grateful for it still because I pick some mango. So I was going to buy 2 sticks. I buy 2 sticks. I buy one for him and one for me. Yeah, but subscribers don't think. Should I still buy one for him after I go answer with me over the stick? Yeah man, it was so upsetting, and guess what go on? When my other neighbor them call me, it just was so coincidental, and my other neighbor called me and said 2 things to me and thing, and me say she have a stick too, so she said alright, she a go lend me her stick. I'm gonna be stick for the lady, you know. The lady, me see him and he must say, see stick, yeah? I said, I don't want your stick. I don't want a stick there for you. So, if you stick and walk past now and still I try to talk to me, I tell him, say, when you go on with it, very unnecessary, trust me. But comment and let me know what you guys think. If I should go out there and buy a stick for him, same way, because the plan is I buy a stick for him. Yeah, and just as well, you see me bag up the mango them for give out to neighbors. I saw me do the banana them from time to time too. Yeah, so care over banana and plantain from time to time, and I share it up with my neighbors them same way. Yeah, so 3 nice and so I just hand up all light and thing. And I want to tell you something, you know, the same neighbor, you know, one of the day them I give him a banana, but he was next door to me, close by, and I did over the other yard. I give him a banana too, you know. I don't know, say after I give him a banana, you know, man left the banana same place over the neighbor yard, you know. Something, and I don't know for some reason we that talk about something, and I say, I give you a banana over there, and thing, and then I say, where? I say, you left it over the neighbor yard. Anyway, when I check that neighbor there for the banana, you know what I say? The man say, dash the banana. Because I don't know how far. The man say, dash it. I tell you. Yeah, man, so it's a 4 nice and a banana, and I don't have to give each person a full, and I can bust it to cards. You know, some people are just them alone, and I can get to give more people same. So I don't have to give them a full hand, guys. Yeah, can do it so too. You don't have to give them one full hand. Because I have some people in there, give them all banana, and you go all check them back at them yard, and when you go, you see banana where you give them a spoil. But they have a friend like that too. That's why I'm not giving up more, because I give everything them and go back at yard, I see all key and a spoil, and I say, no man, if you don't want something to do, so not take it, man. Yeah man, so that go on. I want to go on. Yeah. So I share up my banana them. Hello, want bananas?